Hey, welcome to our channel. I just wanted to show you a very cool thing about agentic flows. We have built a couple of voice agents that you can actually use to call and outreach different people. There are different type of agents we have built from small to bigger one, and we will invite Parthav on our call, and we will show you how exactly those works. Parthav is our AI and automation developer, and we both work together as a team. And we're going to be showing you how we have used different tools such as Retell, Vapi, n8n, GHL, and spreadsheets. It can be all together, work collaboratively to build up a database and the knowledge base for the voice agent. And today we're going to be showing you a couple of flows. And let me invite Parthav for the demo. Hey Parthav, let's take a demo of this first. So we should call this agent and let's see how the data flows into n8n. And just want to mention that, this we are using Retell agent, but it can be used different tools. Voice agents it can be a Vapi, it can be a Resemble, or it can be a Twilio. It can be anything. Which gives us ability to make voice agents. But this one is particularly built with a Retell. So let's take a demo of this. Parthav.
All right. Let me just call this number. Shall I just share my screen sideways while I call this number?
Go ahead, please.
All right, let me just share my screen where we have the sheet open. All right, the last one is this. So here.
Hello, thank you for calling Torque MSP. This is Jamie speaking. How may I assist you today?
Hey Jamie, how's going on?
Hi there. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. How can I help you today?
Yeah, this is Parthav speaking from Infugin Technologies. Yeah, I'm having an issue with my laptop. Can you help me out?
Thanks for letting me know, Patu. I'm sorry to hear you're having trouble with your laptop. Before we dive in, may I have your best email address to reach you? And could you tell me a bit more about the issue you're experiencing?
Yeah, sure. So my email is parthavsabrwal@gmail.com.
Okay. Thank you, Patu. Just to confirm, your email is parthavsabrwal@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes.
And could you briefly describe what's happening with your laptop?
Yes, that's correct. I'm changed. I am thinking of building a website for my business, for a restaurant.
Got it, Patu. So you're interested in building a website for your restaurant business? That sounds exciting. Just to confirm, you're calling from Infugin Technologies, correct? Would
Yes.
you like help with website design? Or are you also interested in things like SEO or social media management for your restaurant?
No, website is enough.
Thank you for clarifying, Patu. So you're looking for help with website design for your restaurant, and you're with Infugin Technologies. What's the best phone number to reach you, just in case we get disconnected? And do you already have an IT provider, or is this your first time working with a company like ours?
It's the first time.
Thanks for sharing that, Patu. We're glad you reached out to us for your first website project. I have your name, company, and email. May I have your best phone number as well? Then I can connect you with our website specialist to discuss your project in detail.
Yeah, it's the one I'm calling from, +91 8360103913.
Thank you, Patu. So your best contact number is +91 8360103913.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
Once you confirm, I'll connect you to... Perfect. Thank you for confirming, Patu. I'll connect you to our website specialist now so you can discuss your restaurant's website project in detail. Please hold for just a moment while I transfer your call.
So yeah, this was the demo, all good. So we can see the call agent asked for my name, my email, my company name, my query, and then according to the query, it transferred the call to the website specialist team. We can see here my email, my company name, my phone number, my type of the query, and the whole transcription and the recording URL. It's all there. So yeah.
Awesome. Uh, can you also so we can do the appointments with it as well, right? Can you show
Yeah.
the transcription quickly? What we have spoken onto the call?
Yeah, it's all here. Like the agent asked for how may I assist you today, and then the whole conversation that we have been in through. Hi there, asking for my query, my email, my phone number, and then we can see here that it also asked, instead of website design, are you interested? Are you also interested in things like SEO or social media management for your restaurant? Like it's the agent is already convincing
Yep.
for extra services.
Yep. Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. So can you quickly go in n8n and see how did this data flowed together? Like when
Yep.
what did we add to Retell that fetched our data in n8n, and from there what and how data flows?
Yep, just a second, let me show you. So here in the Retell, we have an ability, to add a webhook. So like anytime a call starts, a call gets picked up by the customer, or like a call is connected, and lastly when the call ends, this webhook, like any URL or any webhook URL that we add here, it automatically gets called with three events, like first when the call starts, second when the call connects, and the lastly when the call ends. So for that, we have added a post call analysis. In the post call analysis, we have added some different things like call summary, inquiry category, name, company name, appointment booked, all these things. Like it gets to us in the webhook when the call ends, when the data is analyzed. So here we can see the execution. Just a second. Yeah, it's this one, the last one. So we can see here the end call report webhook that is added in the Retell AI here. And in this we can see the event which is call analyzed, and in this event we can see the post call analysis data that we have added in the Retell AI. Just a second, let me show you. It's in the last around here, the call analysis. So in here we can see the call summary, we can see the user sentiment, we can see the custom analysis data, that the custom analysis data is this one. So here we can see the detailed call summary, and the last call inquiry summary, the inquiry category, name, email, company name, and lastly if the user booked an appointment or not. Accordingly, if the call is analyzed, if the event is call underscore analyzed, then the data of the customer gets added in the sheet. Like this is the step where the data gets added in the sheet. And the above one, this condition, if the appointment is booked, like if the customer wasn't available at that time and the customer says that I will be available around that time, then the agent schedules an appointment, and accordingly the agent will add the data in the sheet, like the user is booked with the appointment. Yep.
Awesome. I think that's pretty much covers what we have built for this client.
Yeah.
But I think this call is getting bigger, and we will not be able to see the other demo, bigger one. Why don't you, Partha, do me a favor? Can you quickly open up the workflow in n8n of that and quickly just give an overview how that works, how that
All right.
multiple offers, adding dynamic offers, how exactly that the other bigger workflow works.
Yeah, sure. So this one is the bigger one, which is a call lead engine. In this workflow, what it does, it's a lead caller. Like this call agent is a lead caller. So any lead that gets added into the sheet, this sheet, any new lead which gets added into this sheet, the call agent with the status new, the call agent calls automatically to that lead. And in this, like, we have added a webhook, so according to the lead form, the lead gets stored in that n8n sheet with the offer name. And this workflow, what it does, it's for a client which which looks for leads for which looked for some leads which was in a abuse and detention center. And accordingly, this lead caller calls those leads, and it asks for some qualifying questions. And if the lead qualifies, then it transfers the call to the call center. But the catch is that if the customer doesn't picks up the call the first time, this agent calls again, like doing a human like behavior. Then this call agent calls the customer again, so calls the lead again. And if the user doesn't picks up the second time again, then this agent don't call again, but a new agent gets triggered in, which is the SMS agent. Like if the customer, if the lead doesn't pick two times, then the SMS agent starts contacting that agent and starts asking the qualifying questions. And if the lead gets qualified on the text on the SMS, then the agent asks that, shall I call you now? Shall we call you now? And accordingly, the call agent calls and don't ask the qualifying questions again, but it transfers the call automatically to the call center. And the last thing that we have created is the most important thing I can see, which is, this is just a template. So now, firstly, we created this as an agent, but now we have created it dynamic. So we have given the option to the customer, we have given the ability to our client, so that he can add multiple offers on their own. Like, they can just add the offer title, they can add the configuration of the voice assistant, they can add the configuration of the SMS assistant. And these accordingly these offers get stored in here. And we can just copy the name of this offer, we can paste the offer name here, and accordingly that agent will work for that specific lead. So this makes the agent dynamic, so the client now have the ability to we can ability to create multiple agents on its own. They don't need us for that.
Yep, totally.
Yeah.
So it's totally awesome, and works with it's just not about one campaign. It can be dynamically different type of campaign. One can be a real estate agent. One can be a law agent. One can be a construction company agent. Like all these different campaigns type that can be added by the user, and it can be customizable, and leads can come in and agents work dynamically according to the campaign type. So that's that. And also the other cool thing is SMS agent also kicks in and be able to, if someone is not interested in talking to the phone, SMS agent works cool and talk with that client and lead, and be able to conversate on messages. And I just want to mention that we have also added all of these lead data inside GHL. The other good thing is SMS agent, which really works cool when someone doesn't pick up a call and not able to answer the call. SMS agent is able to conversate via SMS messages, and that all conversations can be stored. We are storing using different technologies like SendBlue inside GHL, and I also want to mention that this is a bigger workflow, require a lot of time to understand. We will make another video for that to explain everything. But I also want to mention we have built similar agents for different type of companies, and recently we built it for lawyers, we built it for construction company. One I remember is for generating leads for gym owners. So where it was calling all these leads and be able to offer them our offer and be able to convince them to join their gyms. So yeah, I mean, that's cool. I think it works great, and I think let's wrap this video up, and we will make another video on this same topic, because it requires a lot of to cover for both. If someone wants to build this agent, or if a developer wants to build this agent, we need to show all the aspects. So we will make another video on it. And well, I want to thank you, Partha, for joining, and really appreciate your efforts out there. And yeah, I mean, that's it for this video. We will see you in next videos. Thank you.